Hey guys, it's Untitled here. Sorry it took so long. I know you guys have gotten quite a few comments asking for a tutorial for Isle of Flightless Birds, and I've been really busy. So I've been trying to find time, and every time I find time, I'm too lazy. I'm a procrastinator. So yeah. Anyways. So I'm gonna make this tutorial on the intro because there's got to be, I guess, a lot of explanation on something that's not just chords. So all right, hopefully this goes well. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain every chord that I'm playing. I'll tell you which chord it is, and on your own time you can look them up. This is an intermediate to advanced song, so unless you just want to play the chords, I'll post another tutorial on just playing the chords and the rhythm and stuff. Just the rhythm. But this is gonna be the intro, which is kind of like a lead, part. So the chords that you're gonna be playing for the intro, it's gonna be E minor to a D, G, back to D, to C, to a B major. Okay, so what I'm playing right there is, I'll get a little closer so you can see. So I'm holding the E minor, right? I strum it, use my first finger on the first string, 2nd fret, and then I play it open. Then I get my second finger, put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then I walk it back 1 fret. So it's, and then it's D. I play D by borrowing it with my first finger. You can play D with these fingers if you like. If it's easier for you, it's always just easier for me to play it with my one finger. So it's E minor. And then from the D, while I'm borrowing it right here, I play the D. And then I play this. While I'm holding this on the 2nd fret with the 2nd string, 2nd fret with my first finger right here. I pluck the 2nd string and walk it up 1 fret to the 3rd right here. And then I play the 1st string open. So it's, and then walk it back 3rd fret, 2nd string, then back to the 2nd fret. So it's, okay, and then after that it's a G. So it's E minor, G, first string with this finger while you're holding the G, and then it's open. You play the 1st string open after you play the G. So it's, you walk it back on the 3rd to 2nd on the 2nd string, 3rd to 2nd fret, 2nd string. So it's, you play the G. So after you strum that G, open 1st string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, then play the D. So it's, and this is open, 2nd string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So it's, just walk it from the D to the G, back to the, okay, let's do that. Open, 2nd string, 2nd fret. So it's, and then you play the C. But when you play the C, mute the third string. After you held it on the second fret with one of your fingers, play the C, but mute the third string. While you're, to mute a string, all you do is lightly touch it. So mute it, and then you pluck it open. But if you just play it open like that, I don't think it does as much for it, because I guess you don't notice it as much if you don't mute it at first. So it's then that B major, and then it starts over. This part is different the second time. Instead of going like this, like we did the first time, instead of doing that, instead of that, it goes like this. You get that? So it's E minor, D, so it's walking it up from the second fret on the second string to the third fret, open on the first string, then it's second fret on the first string, back to the third fret on second string, then it's G, remember muting that string right before you pluck it after the C. That part, you're walking it back and forth on the second string, second and third frets. So just like that. Then it's open first string to the second fret. So it's open second fret. So it's open again, second fret to the third fret, fifth, sixth, ninth, seventh. So it's B major, sorry, I hit the 10th fret on accident. So let's walk through the intro. All right. La da da da, la da 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 da, la la da da, la da da da, la la da da, la da da. Alright, that's the intro. I'll post another video with the intro. Post another video with the rhythm and the chords and everything. This video is already about 10 minutes long, so I hope it helped you guys. I know most of you guys wanted a tutorial basically for the intro. That's pretty much the hardest part. But for those of you who still need help with the rhythm and everything, I'll post that video soon. Probably maybe Tuesday. I'll try to post videos, Sundays, Tuesdays. Those are pretty much the only days that I have that are free. And alright, so I hope you liked this, and if you did, show it. Hit like and favorite it. Subscribe for more, and I'll be posting more. I really like 21 Pilots. For those of you guys who are 21 Pilots fans, pro fist. I'll probably be doing a lot of covers from them, other artists. I really want to do a cover that I have of All of Me by John Legend on the uke, and I really like the way it sounds. But anyways, so if you want to see more, like, subscribe, and leave comments. Let me know what you think. I really love support. So yeah. Well, good tie, grow. Out. I'll see you guys later.